Before we dive into AI capabilities, let's acknowledge the diverse landscape of modern human knowledge work. It's not all the same. On one hand, we have deterministic work. This can be defined as doing something where the same input always leads to the same output. It is characterized by structured processes, clear rules, and predictable outcomes. Think routine reporting or standard transaction processing. Human decisions here are typically operational and rule-based, primarily engaging human cognitive skills like remembering, understanding, and applying procedures. Some analogies include following recipes or checklists. On the other hand, we have non-deterministic or generative work. This can be defined as doing something where the same input can lead to different variable outputs. It is where ambiguity, novelty, and creative problem solving come into play, like developing new strategies or designing innovative products. Human decisions here are strategic, require significant judgment, and involve higher-order thinking like analyzing complex information, evaluating options, and creating new solutions. Some analogies include brainstorming, negotiating, or solving complex, unique problems. Understanding this distinction between deterministic and non-deterministic work is important to understand where different types of AI fit best and can provide the most impactful, relevant support. So, how does EverWorker address this diverse human knowledge work landscape? We think about three types of EverWorkers, each with different AI capabilities: AI assistants, AI agents, and AI workers, each designed to target different needs across the knowledge work spectrum. Let's look at each in relation to the spectrum of human knowledge work. First, AI assistants provide versatile support for individual human knowledge workers, whether they're engaged in deterministic or non-deterministic tasks. The human worker is driving the conversation with the AI and in control of the decisions. For example, think about how one interacts with an AI chatbot like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Anthropic's Claude, or Google's Gemini. Second, AI agents are specifically geared towards automating well-defined deterministic tasks and workflows. Those workflows and tasks have decisions that are baked into or embedded in the workflow as fixed rules. Lastly, AI workers represent the most advanced capability, able to manage complex deterministic roles autonomously and, crucially, to significantly augment humans engaged in high-value, non-deterministic and strategic work. Increasingly, we see AI workers, given strong human-defined guardrails and rigorous evaluations, autonomously manage complex, high-value, non-deterministic and strategic work. Each of these EverWorker types embodies a different level of AI autonomy, the complexity of tasks it can handle, and its capacity for decision-making. This graph is a good way to map the evolving capabilities of EverWorkers. On the y-axis, we plot increasing task complexity and the cognitive demand those tasks require. On the x-axis, we have the increasing level of autonomous task handling and, importantly, the decision-making authority granted to the AI. As we move up and to the right, as EverWorkers handle more complex tasks with greater autonomy and decision-making power, business value increases.